Welcome back to the show, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that touches every single one of us, our relationship with money.
Absolutely, Alex. It's often complex, stressful, or just plain confusing for many. But what if a few good books could fundamentally shift that perspective for the better?
Exactly. We've handpicked what we believe are the 5 books that will change your relationship with money. These aren't just about making more money, but understanding it, managing it, and ultimately living a richer life, not just financially.
And stick around because we'll tell you what to read next after you conquer these gems.
All right, let's jump right in with our first pick, a classic that many might have already heard of, but its impact is undeniable. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki.
Oh, a foundational one. This book really challenges conventional wisdom about money. It's not just about earning an income, but understanding assets versus liabilities and making your money work for you.
Right. Kiyosaki's narrative about his 2 dads, one highly educated but financially struggling, the other a high school dropout who built an empire, really drives home the importance of financial education outside of traditional schooling.
It's a fantastic primer for anyone wanting to shift their mindset from being an employee to an investor or business owner, and it really opened my eyes to different ways of thinking about wealth creation.
Moving on, our second book delves into the often overlooked emotional and psychological aspects, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel.
This one is brilliant because it's less about the how-to and more about the why. Housel argues that personal finance is less about what you know and more about how you behave.
Absolutely. He uses compelling stories to illustrate common human biases and behaviors that impact our financial decisions, often without us even realizing it. It's a powerful reminder that emotions play a huge role.
So true. Things like compounding, the illusion of control, and even just understanding enough are so well articulated. It makes you reflect on your own financial habits.
Speaking of making informed decisions, whether it's about money or understanding the world around us, having reliable information is key. That's why we want to tell you about Ground News.
In today's overwhelming news landscape, it's tough to know what's true and unbiased. Ground News helps you cut through the noise by showing you how the same story is being covered across the political spectrum.
It's fascinating. You can compare headlines, see the bias rating of different sources, and even check out the blind spot report to see what news isn't reaching you. It's about getting the full picture, not just one side.
It really empowers you to be a more critical and informed consumer of news, which is crucial for making smart decisions in all areas of your life, including your finances. Understanding the world helps you understand markets, policies, and ultimately, your money.
So, if you're tired of media bias and want a clearer, more balanced view of current events, head over to Ground News and check out their platform. We highly recommend giving it a try to broaden your perspective.
Okay, back to our book list. For our third pick, if you're looking for a clear-cut, no-nonsense approach to getting out of debt and building a solid foundation, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey is essential.
Ramsey's baby steps approach has helped millions. It's incredibly practical, focusing on concepts like the debt snowball and building an emergency fund. It might sound simple, but its effectiveness is well documented.
His approach is certainly very prescriptive, which some people absolutely thrive on when they feel lost financially. It gives you a clear path forward, especially if debt is a major hurdle for you right now.
And for something a bit different but equally impactful, our fourth book is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi.
Sethi's book is all about conscious spending and automating your finances. He encourages you to spend lavishly on things you love and ruthlessly cut costs on things you don't. It's about living a rich life, not just saving every penny.
I love his focus on optimizing systems rather than relying on willpower. Setting up automatic transfers, choosing the right credit cards, negotiating bills, it's all about making your money work efficiently behind the scenes.
It's a great companion to Ramsey's more conservative approach, showing that you can be financially savvy without sacrificing all the fun in life.
And finally, our fifth transformative read is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez.
This book takes a much more philosophical approach. It encourages you to think about money in terms of life energy. How many hours of your life did you trade for that purchase? It really shifts your perspective on consumerism and value.
It's a powerful book for anyone looking to achieve true financial independence and define what enough means for them, rather than constantly chasing more. It's not just about retirement, it's about reclaiming your time and aligning your spending with your values.
So, to quickly recap, our 5 books to change your relationship with money are Rich Dad Poor Dad for mindset, The Psychology of Money for behavior, The Total Money Makeover for practical debt elimination, I Will Teach You to Be Rich for automation and conscious spending, and Your Money or Your Life for a deep dive into financial independence and life energy.
Each one offers a unique lens through which to view and interact with your money, and together they provide a comprehensive education far beyond what most people ever receive.
And what should listeners read next, Alex? After these, I'd suggest something like The Millionaire Next Door for real-world insights into how ordinary people build wealth, or A Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins for straightforward investing advice.
Fantastic suggestion, Sarah. These books aren't just about reading, they're about action and transformation. Pick one up, read it, and start implementing its lessons.
Your financial future will thank you. And remember, the journey to a healthier relationship with money is continuous, but these books are an incredible starting point.
We'd love to hear which of these books you've read, or if you have others that have changed your financial life. Let us know in the comments or on social media.
Don't forget to subscribe to our show for more insights and discussions on how to live your best life.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.